simple, a little worn, but smoke curls lazily from each chimney, filling the cold air with the scent of wood and warmth. The snow crunches gently beneath your foot as you step carefully onto the narrow path, and you notice how soft the sunlight is, casting a gentle golden glow across the rooftops. Lanterns sway slightly in the breeze, and you can almost hear faint laughter or voices behind the frosted windows. The village may be humble, the life may be simple, but there's a warmth that reaches you immediately, undisappeared, and only this cozy, peaceful village exists. You pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and allow the crisp winter air to fill your lungs, letting yourself sink into the calm and quiet magic of this place. You start walking slowly along the cobblestone street. Each step makes a soft crunch in the fresh snow, and the lanterns lining the path glow gently like tiny beacons guiding you through this quiet world. Wooden houses lean slightly, showing their age, but the lights from the windows feel inviting, almost as if each home is whispering a welcome. You see smoke curling from chimneys, smell from the faint aroma of warm meals cooking inside, and hear the occasional muffled chatter of the villagers sharing a quiet moment together. The snowflakes drift lazily down from the sky, landing softly on your shoulders, your hair, your path ahead. You imagine children running and laughing somewhere in the distance, their voices blending into the hush of the winter, walking slowly, letting every sound, every glow, every shadow sink in. You feel the gentle rhythm of the village wrapping around you like a warm, invisible blanket. Drawn by a sweet aroma, you find yourself at the little village bakery. The building is small, a simple wooden shack with frosted windows, but the glow from inside makes it feel magical. As you step in, warm air immediately wraps around you, carrying the scent of fresh bread, pastries, and a hint of cinnamon. The baker, a kind face with gentle smile, hands you a cup of warm cocoa, steam curling upward, mingling with the scent in the room. You take a slow sip, letting the warmth spread through your fingers, your hands, and your chest. The soft clink of utensils, the quiet hum of conversation, the faint crackling of a small oven fire. Everything is gentle, cozy, and soothing. Even here, in this humble place, the world feels soft and kind. You lean against the counter for a moment, watching the snowfall outside, realizing that happiness is simple and that comfort is everywhere, even in the smallest, poorest corners of the world. You continue your walk and arrive at a tiny cabin tucked behind a snow-covered fence. Inside, a small fireplace crackles, sending waves of warmth across the wooden walls. Thick blankets are folded neatly on a bench, and a simple rug lies across the floor. The furniture is bare and rustic, but it's perfectly homely. You sit on the bench, letting the heat of the fire slowly seep into your body, imagining the villagers' quiet lives unfolding around you. Outside, the snow continues to fall gently, but inside this humble cabin, every corner is soft and safe. You listen to the fire pop and snap, feel the weight of the blankets as they drape over your legs, and a sense of deep peace. A feeling that here, in this small cozy cabin, life is slowed down. Every worry is lighter, and the winter nights wraps you in a comfort like a gentle. Stepping outside again, you wander into the village square. It's small, simple, but alive with white charm. Wooden stalls line the square dusted with snow, and small group of villagers share from drinks and gentle conversation. The soft golden glow of lanterns reflects off the snow, creating a warm magical light even in the night. Children's laughter drifts faintly from somewhere behind a cluster of buildings, and you imagine them playing in the snow. Cheeks pink from the cold. Every sound here is soft, every movement slow and deliberate. The air smells faintly of wood smoke, baked treats, and winter herbs. You walk slowly, letting the warmth of the village surround you, feeling connected, calm, and happy. Even in this poor village, the moments sparkle with a simple joy that fills your chest and slows your breathing. At the edge of the village, you discover a small frozen pond. The ice glows softly under the reflection of lanterns and the falling snowflakes. The water is frozen solid, smooth, and pristine, creating a mirror that reflects the tiny village homes around it. You step closer, hearing the faint crackle of ice under snow. Imagine the cold biting at your cheeks and feel a peaceful silence settle over you. The snow continues to fall gently, the air crisp and clean. You take a deep breath, letting the tranquility of this place wash over you. Every detail, from the reflection of the lights to the softness of the snow underfoot, feels magical. Here at Frozen Pond, time seems to pause, letting you simply exist, breathe, and enjoy the gentle, cozy winter world around you. You find a tiny, small library tucked into one of the villagers' corner. The wooden shelves are filled with worn, well-loved books, their pages slightly yellowed with age. Lamps flicker softly, casting warm, gentle light across the room. You settle into a small armchair, fingers brushing across the spines of the books, listening to the quiet hum of the village outside, the occasional crackle of firewood. Every corner of this library feels like a tiny sanctuary where the world slows down and your thoughts can wander freely. You breathe in the faint scent of paper wood and candle wax, letting it ground you. For a moment, you feel completely at peace, wrapped in the humble warmth of knowledge, stories, and the cozy winter village around you. Next, you step into a small, rustic kitchen in one of the cabins. Steam rises from a pot of hot cocoa, filling the air with a sweet, comforting aroma. The counters are simple, worn from years of use, but they hold a beauty in their simplicity. A wooden spoon stirs gently in the pot, and you imagine the warmth spreading through your hands, through your chest, through your whole being. The flickering fire casts soft shadows across the walls, and you sit down at the table, enjoying the quiet rhythm of this humble kitchen. Even in poor home, everything feels abundant, warmth, kindness, and the simple pleasure of the cozy comfort that fills you comfortably. Night has fallen and the village is quiet. The small homes glow softly from within, smoke curling slowly from chimneys into the cold night air. Snow drifts lazily from the sky, blanketing the cobblestone streets in silence. Every step you take is muffled, soft, peaceful. Lanterns flicker like tiny stars along the paths, guiding your way through the quiet village. You pause for a moment, taking in the stillness, the warmth shining from the windows, the gentle hush of the winter all around. In this moment, every worry feels far away. Every breath feels full of calm as through the simple but cozy village has wrapped you in its comforting embrace. Finally, you enter a small bedroom in one of the cabins. Thick blankets cover the simple bed, and a candle flickers softly on a wooden nightstand. Snow continues to fall outside the window, blanketing the world in a quiet white. You lie down slowly, letting the warmth seep into your body. The fire crackles softly nearby, mixing with the faint hush of the night outside. Every sound, every flicker of light, every gentle shadow creates a cocoon of safety and comfort. You breathe deeply, letting the peace of the humble, cozy village fills you completely. This is a winter world built not on wealth but on a warmth, kindness, and serenity, perfect for drifting off into deep, restful sleep. If you find this quite heartwarming and calming, then this is your sign to subscribe Whispering Worlds. Thanks for watching.